While Nothing might not be a household name just yet, they are well known in the tech industry for their transparent phone design as well as earphones that they have made. They have the Nothing Ear A's, the Nothing Ear 1s, Ear 2s, and now they have their first pair of open headphones, the Nothing Ear Opens. The design on these stick true to their script on what they have done to make them known and popular, and I really do like these designs. So when I heard about them, I had to go and pop them. This video is not sponsored at all. We ordered them with our own money, and they are finally here. Let's go ahead and take a quick look, unbox these, and show you how they actually work out in the open on a run. Let's go. So here they are, those Nothing Ear Opens, in a very similar packaging to what we've seen in the past. As you can see, obviously it does say ear open on this one, and you do have that same typical pull tab to get these open right on the bottom. So let's go ahead and do just that and get these babies out. So one thing you're going to notice right off the bat is just how long of a package this comes with, or a charging case. We'll set that to the side for a minute and then go ahead and pop out the box to get everything else in the bottom. So you have your reading guide that gives you all the breakdown and controls for everything possible with the ear opens, and also reminding you to get the Nothing X app. So it does work for Android or iOS, and you do have a very short, again, branded Nothing USB-C to USB-C cable in the box. Let's go ahead and set all of this to the side for now and get to the star of the show right here, those ear opens. First thing, once again, you'll see there is that little QR code for the Nothing X app that it does tell you about again, right on top there. Let's just rip this baby right open. And it is a one size fits all currently for those earbuds. And as you can see, nothing like what they've come out with in the past, except for what looks familiar on the earbuds themselves. You have your USB Type-C charging cable on the back, your hinge, and, well, nothing else. Once you open up, you can see your pairing lights and all of your earbuds, again, left signified by the white dot and the right with the red. So once you take them out, you can see it almost looks like an undercover type dress, basically, or headset, I should say. And once you take that off, you can see the design language of these Nothing headphones. So still transparent even on the back, still look great nonetheless, branded with Nothing on the side again. And all you do to put them on is slide them behind your ear. They don't actually go in your ear, which is hence the name Nothing Ear Open. So again, very good looking buds, I think. I'm going to go ahead and get this paired, throw them on, and let's go outside. In order to pair these with an iPhone, which might not be the most practical solution, I know a lot of people are going to use Android phones with these headphones, but if you need, download that Nothing app that we just talked about, and if you want to pair these, if you have an existing pair of headphones, you're just going to go into the top right hamburger menu, click Pair New Devices, and it's going to scan and see what it finds, and as you can see right here, it found the Nothing Ear Opens and is going to get all set up. So it is a pretty quick and seamless process, obviously not as quick as an AirPod setup go, but if you're familiar with Nothing, it is very good, and it will give you a guide of what all the controls are. So this is something I didn't talk about earlier. A single pinch, which is done right on the top of the bud that sits in your ear, or on top of your ear, will play your pause music or answer or hang up phone calls. A double pinch will allow you to skip forward, and let me move this light out of our way. A decline for incoming calls will also be done with a double pinch. A triple pinch, as it's set up, will skip back a track, and if you pinch and hold, it will put the volume up. If you do so on the left ear, on the right ear, and on the left it is volume down. So we'll say that's it. Firmware update is already available out of the box. We'll go ahead and say update. We'll go ahead and let this finish. Okay, so as you can see, we're outside. We actually have sunglasses on and the Nothing Ear Opens right on the side. And this was my first test I wanted to really see, simply because now you have that piece that goes around the back of your ear. Would it intrude with sunglasses or people that wear glasses? And I'm happy to say, nope, the sunglasses and the actual nothing ear opens actually are perfectly fine. This is great to see for people that need prescription lenses or have to wear glasses all the time and want that open ear design. So aside from that, I was shaking them around and all that. I actually have some music playing right now, and it is so nice to be able to hear your surroundings if you're going for a run or a walk, especially for a safety standpoint. It is really nice to have something like this. The touch controls are actually very easy. I was kind of curious about that to see exactly how they would work with the pinching and all of that, but it worked pretty well, I'm glad to say that. The volume up and down does take a little getting used to and a little while to do, simply for the fact that you have to long press and just keep waiting and waiting and waiting. It seems like the level of change is kind of minimal, unfortunately. I was hoping it would have been a little better. But aside from that, they really do feel pretty good while I'm walking around. And here's a light run for you guys. I'm not having any issues at all. It's staying right on. So they're good, they're comfortable. I will say it's kind of weird feeling something behind your ear, but you do forget about it pretty quickly. It is not terrible at all, and it almost gives your ear canal so much less fatigue from not having that, if it's a silicone tip you use or even any sort of anything in the way of your canal. So yeah, they're about $150 right now on Nothing's website. It's on Amazon as well. I will throw an affiliate link down below for those of you interested in it. We greatly appreciate it if you use that link. It helps out the channel immensely. So yeah, what do you guys think of the design? Is it something you could see yourself wearing? I've heard they look like hearing aids kind of, which makes sense, the things that wrap around the back. But aside from that, I think it's a great, unique design. If you're out and about working or walking, these could be your next pair of headphones. Comment down below, what do you think? Is it worth the investment? Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.